Hello students, a warm welcome to all of you to your own channel. I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to study about articles, its types and its usage. Now let us see first what are articles. Articles are small words which indicate items. They describe nouns. I hope all of you know, students, which are the words which describe nouns. Yes, you are right. Those are the adjectives, and therefore articles are also adjectives. There are two kinds of articles. The first kind is definite and the second kind of article is indefinite. Let us see now what is a definite article. There is only one definite article and it is the word the. Now why is it referred to as a definite article? As the name suggests, it indicates exactly, definitely what. Therefore, the tells us definitely which item we are talking about. Let us see the example. I fixed the car. In this example, we are not mentioning any car, but I fixed the car. Therefore, the article tells which car, particularly which car, and therefore it is a definite article. Let us see now what are indefinite articles. There are two types of indefinite article, students. The first one is a, the second one is an. A or a is used before any consonant. An is used before any vowel sound. Now let us see the pronunciation of indefinite articles. A is said like A in gate. It is also said like a. The word an is said like in hand. Now when do we use an? We use an before a word that begins with a vowel or also before a word with a vowel sound. A and an are indefinite articles. They also indicate an item like we saw with the, but they don't specify. What do I mean by this? They don't specify means they don't say particularly which item like the article the say. Therefore, a and an are indefinite articles. Let us see few examples. I drove a truck. Truck begins with a consonant. Which consonant is that? T. Therefore, we use a before that, but it is an indefinite article. Why is it an indefinite article? Because we don't know which truck we are talking about. Next example, I drove an ambulance. Ambulance begins with a vowel, that is a. Therefore, we use an. An is the indefinite article. Now, why is it an indefinite article? Because we don't know which ambulance we are referring to. Let us see a quick recap of articles. Articles are adjectives. They describe nouns. Articles are parts of speech. They are also adjectives. Some languages use no articles. They indicate and describe. They are general adjectives. They don't specify any properties, and yes, of course, they do identify the item. Now let us see when do we use a, and the. We use a before words which begin with consonants. Now which are the consonants, students? Except A, E, I, O, U, the other alphabets in the English alphabet schema are the consonants. A doctor, a big car, a girl. We also use a before U when it sounds like the word you and before EU. Sounds like you. Let us see this example. A university. Though the word starts with a vowel U, but the pronunciation is Y-O-U. That is a consonant pronunciation. Therefore, we use a university and not an university. Let us see this example. A European city. Though it starts with the vowel E, but the sound is of consonant U, EU. And thus, we use a before European city. We use an before words which begin with vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. An apple. An interesting film. We also use an before words that begin with a silent H. Now, which are the words which have silent H? Are, honorable, honored. We don't pronounce the word H here. We don't say har. And are, because H is silent here, the sound is of the vowel A, and therefore we use an R. Hard, a house. Hard H, house, her. The sound of her is very hard here. Therefore, we use a. Now, let's compare a and the. Mary says, I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. Joe asks, was the CD player expensive? Now, I hope all of you can find the difference between a and the here. We usually use a or an with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. Let us see the example once more. Now, when Mary says she bought a CD player and a TV yesterday, she is referring to the CD player and the TV for the first time, and therefore the article a is used. Now, when Joe asks, was the CD player expensive? See here, a CD player, we usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. When Joe asks, was the CD player expensive? So Joe is referring to the same CD player which Mary has bought yesterday. The CD player is equal to the one that Mary bought. So when we refer to the same object or thing for the second time, we use the definite article the. Let us see few more examples where articles a or and the is used. When we take account of price, it costs 2 a liter. Frequency, I drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. That shows how many cups, the frequency. Speeds, you are driving at 90 miles an hour. 100 people, 1,000 days. We use a or an for talking about jobs. I am a bank manager. We use the when there is only one of something. May I turn on the TV now? That means in the room there is only one TV and I am asking the permission to switch on the same particular TV. Where is Mary? She is in the kitchen. Normally in a house we have only one kitchen. So here Mary might be in the kitchen, in one kitchen, the particular kitchen. Therefore we are using the. We use the with musical instruments. I play the guitar. Jane plays the violin. I hope this video will be beneficial for you children. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share. You can also comment your feedback in the comment section. Keep watching my channel for upcoming videos. Until then, take care. God bless you. Thank you.